welcome to this week's Ask Mama Amy on senior care. Following the last 2 weeks' tips, today I'm going to talk about tip number 10. How do we help our parents to get aging ready? Tip number 9 is to encourage them to have a notebook with all the necessary information, including the following. For example, the legal documents, list where their estate planning documents are, their power of attorney documents, and the names and contact information for their financial advisor, CPA, or lawyer if they have one, and a list of life insurance policies if they have that, and also pre-need funeral plans if they bought that in advance, a photocopy of Medicare or any insurance cards, any insurance information that you need to know, list of assets, and just enough information, including the account numbers, just so you as the child can go to the bank or can know where to locate these assets. So these are some important things to encourage them to include in their, so that you can help them. Now, I know it can be really hard as a child to get parents to, so maybe one way that I have found helpful is to lead by example. So if you as the child wanted to start writing down your list of assets, and if you're willing to share with your parents, and then vice versa, right? And ask them if they have any special wishes regarding their care, regarding their assets, or just any special wishes that they would like you to know, so that you can really honor that and really honor their wishes, right? Tip number 10 is to be pragmatic about living arrangements. Now, we all want to be as independent as possible, and we all want to stay home. Unfortunately, the reality is sometimes it just may not be possible financially to have that 24/7 skilled nursing care at home, and it could easily drive up the bill. And so, of course, the goal is to remain as independent as possible with as high quality of life as possible. With that in mind, sometimes a move to an assisted living facility or an independent living community can be much more affordable and provide greater safety and a better quality of life. So that's worth considering. And some might need to go to a nursing home because that's the only place that they can get 24/7 around the clock skilled care. And so it's, talk to your community, talk to the professionals in your community, and see, which organizations are more reputable. You can definitely do that. And, what maybe tour the independent and assisted living facilities yourself, and examine how you can help your parents at home to prevent falling and things like that. Then the bonus point: consult with an elder law attorney. Now, this may sound self-serving, but elder law is one of the fastest growing area in the country for a reason, because a lot more people are having this need, and they need to figure out how do we do incapacity planning and long-term care planning and all that type of thing. And so, do I qualify for Medi-Cal? What kind of benefits do I have? Who is going to pay for my care? And so how do you go about and finding somebody that is a qualified elder law attorney? What you can do is look at what associations they belong to. For example, some of the really good ones, the national organizations are National Association of Elder Law Attorneys. It's called NAELA, N-A-E-L-A. Also Elder Law College. These are all both organizations that I belong to. We have basically it's a national. They're both national organizations with highly qualified attorneys that I can consult with, and so it's a big sort of a library of information. And then there's also elder law answers, and you can easily find people, look up their credentials, so you can find the best, most suitable attorney for you and your family. Hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching.